Hello everyone, let's look at the new changes and fixes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26300.7674 in the dev channel and on build 26220.7670 available through the beta channel. So this particular update doesn't include any new features, but the company is addressing some issues and preparing the dev channel for the next version of the operating system, which could be version 26H2. Now, let's see what's new in this update. So in this release, Microsoft has resolved an issue where the extract all options failed to appear in the toolbar when viewing non-zip archive folders in File Explorer. Also, the company has fixed an issue where clicking the Hide This Page in the mobile side panel for the Start menu didn't correctly open the setting to hide it. Also, if we look at the Windows search experience, this release fixes an issue where the search process displayed an icon with an X instead of the magnifying glass. Now, one particular issue that I'm happy to see that Microsoft is actually fixing is the homepage for the settings app. For the longest time, I've been experiencing a really long time trying to load the homepage. So now, apparently, the company is addressing that issue as well. On graphics, the company has fixed a bug causing secondary displays to render incorrectly and show black screens after recent updates. And finally, this release addressed an underlying issue for previous releases that could trigger unexpected sign-in failures for Azure Virtual Desktops and Windows 365. Microsoft also notes some known issues with this build regarding the Start menu, File Explorer, Xbox full screen experience for PCs, taskbar, and for Click to Do. Now, there has been some confusion among users on how Microsoft is handling the updates and the Windows Insider program. So just to make things clear, updates for build 26100, they belong to version 24H2. Preview builds for 26200, they belong to version 25H2. And now we're getting a new build series, which is 26300, and this belongs to version 26H2. And with that out of the way, I also wanted to point out that this build being 26300, that's 7674, is part of version 26H2. And Microsoft has said that while builds in the dev and beta channels still contains the same changes, over time, they will be making behind-the-scene platform changes on each build. So they might have different known issues because of these changes. So what behind-the-scenes changes the company is referring to, that's still unclear. However, now that the company is preparing for version 26H2, we can also expect that we're going to start seeing new features, visual changes, and other things happening on the dev channel. And that's it. That is all you need to know about the latest preview build in the dev channel and the beta channel for Windows 11. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes, what you're expecting for the version 26H2, and just like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.